Hello, good afternoon, students. I am from EME Technologies, and today we are going to learn about Node.js, Express.js, and MongoDB. These are Node.js and Express.js are the frameworks of JavaScript. Express.js is used for navigation purpose, and Node is for integrating with MongoDB. We are going to make a project on mobile recharge over here. For this, we can use any text editor like Sublime++, Notepad++. I'm using Notepad. What you will do, you will be going to the command prompt. This is the complete command prompt in front of you. Then you will write node, then space, then your file name, then .js. Right? I'm writing in front of you now. Then you press enter. Then you will be using the other libraries like Notepad, then the other libraries like Express, then body parsers, MongoDB, and you will be using the different URLs. And after that, what you will do, you will start your server. Starting the server, going to the local host, your browser, right, column 3000. Then you have the different plans over here, mobile plans. After that, what you have, recharge. You enter the name over here, the phone number over here, for what amount you want to recharge, for what plan you want to recharge. You can recharge for more than one plan. Press submit button. Press balance. Press submit button. Here is the plans which you have taken, the phone number for which you have taken, for the amount you have taken. If you calculate this all, it will become this amount, and this is the name of yours. And that's all for this particular project. Thank you very much.